Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we're able to fix this Jura N8. So what we did is we went inside the brew chamber and we did a tune-up, pretty much going over all the pieces, clean them out. There was a lot of coffee buildup in this one, and then there was O-rings that need to be swapped out. So that's all we did for the tune-up. Now we're gonna brew a cappuccino because we're gonna test the steam on and the brewing. We're gonna get that. I'm just going to do the steam first.
Uncle Mario. This is
So right now we're keeping steam forward. Going to do that for a while. Then it's going to brew. I'm going to stop it early because it's going to make 3 ounces. Here's that shot for you. I'm going to stop it right there. And that's the type of shot you can pull. Brewing well. And then we're going to test hot water. Here's the hot water test for you. It's coming out well. So that is the Jura 8, fully repaired. Thank you for repairing with us. Leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.